My name is Jennifer Edwards, and the aim of my MPhil project last year was to investigate the activity of a subset of plant-derived compounds towards the parasite of human importance that current therapeutics are limited. So, why a naturally derived compound library? Well, nature is a good place to start. So there's a high diversity of chemical diversity within the library that can be attained from nature, and this includes and supported by the literature with drugs such as aspirin and Toxil, an anti-cancer agent that have activity and used as a medicinal drug. And the company PhytoQuest has provided us with a library that was used against the Schistosome mannsoni parasite that affects 200 million people worldwide. And it has a complex life cycle. It has an intermediate snail host and the definitive human host. And the pathology of the disease is caused by this egg here that gets trapped in vital organs within the human. And the idea is to find a compound that could perhaps target this parasite. 2 life stages were targeted for this screen, the juvenile life stage and the adult life stage, and these were both used because they are in the human host, and they're a good place to start as they can be targeted by human drug administration. And the hope is that the juvenile wouldn't be able to develop into the adult, and the adults won't produce the egg that causes the pathology of the disease. So, when the slide moves on, the compound that we are interested in has caused activity towards the eggs within the female that was treated with the drug, and as you can see it's elongated and shriveled up, and it also causes holes to be produced on the male surface that is useful for them. The human immune system might be able to see antigens that were otherwise hidden. So this is advantageous for a compound used in the early stage of drug discovery. So the compound also had activity towards the juvenile life stage, showed in this figure, and at high concentrations the compound caused death of the parasite, and as the concentration decreased, the parasite was less affected by the drug. It also caused an absence of egg production by the adult parasite at high concentration, and also caused abnormalities of the egg at a slightly lower concentration. As you can see, there are some shriveled up eggs produced by the parasite. So, outcomes of this project include a compound that was identified that has selective activity towards Schistosome mannsoni parasite, but also a parasite of Welsh veterinary importance, liver fluke. From this project there's also a pending publication and a patent for the compound that was found, and also a successful National Research Network project has also an outcome with collaborations with chemists from Cardiff. So thank you very much.